So guys, we have powder coated these bullets, and the next step that we're going to do is we are going to resize these to the actual size of a normal bullet that you can buy in the store. So when we casted these, they had the normal size of a bullet that you can buy in the store, but you need to size them then also a little bit because they're like 2 or 3 thousandths over the actual size. So when you put the powder coat on there, it will also grow a little bit in size. So it will be like 5 or 6 thousandths of an inch in diameter that it will get widened. So you need to resize this because actually otherwise you can like blow up your gun because this is too wide to go through the barrel. So that's why we use these four. These are sizing kits of Lee. You can also buy some kits of Hornady or RCBS or something, other brands. But I like to use these because they are very good and also very cheap. So if you want everything in a package, Lee is a very nice package. So you take these bullets that we powder coated earlier and you just put them here on this little stem and you can just push them through the resizer. And as you can see, it will just come here through out with the rest. And that is actually all you have to do. Takes some kind of time, takes some work, but in the end you will get good, accurate and almost free bullets like this. So I will show you later. Take this off. And then you can see, as you see here in the light, you can see that the left one I'm holding here has been sized and the right one hasn't been not been sized. And that is actually how the sizing process works. What I forgot to tell you in the first part of the video, so when you size your powder coated cast bullets, because this 223 bullet came out of a mold that has a Gascheck design. So that means that you have to apply these Gaschecks, which is a small copper cup that you put on the base, and when you put them through your press they will form a Gascheck bullet like this. The reason for this is like this, the lead cast bullet, it can withstand more speeds, so higher feet per second. Normally this kind of bullet would only go for like 1500 feet per second, but with the Gascheck I can put them over 2000 feet per second. So when you have a Gascheck design mold and a Gascheck design bullet, it is best that you apply the Gaschecks, because otherwise the base, it will deform a little bit because of the powder coat when you put them on the tray when you're baking them like that, what we showed you in the other video. Because of the powder coating will not become very exactly even at the base. During the flight of the bullet in mid-air, it will affect, of course, the trajectory of the bullet, and your results will go down. And if you apply the Gascheck bullet, the result will be very accurate. So that is actually why we apply these small copper cups. You can also make these copper cups yourself. I have seen people do it themselves, but I buy these from Hornady, which are very good. They're quite cheap also. For 1,000 pieces I pay like 25 euros, so it's not really a big of a deal. Yeah, and that's it. So when I shoot these bullets, I get the result of around 1.5 to 1.8 inch at 100 meters. With my normal bullets that I buy from PPU Partisan, I have like 1 inch grouping at 100 meters out of AR. With these I get, like as I said, 1.6 1.8 inch grouping at 100 meters. So I'm very contented with these bullets, especially because I make them completely myself from scratch lead. So although the accuracy is not exactly the same as the bullets that I buy, it's the amount of work and my own effort that I put in it that makes it worth the shooting this. So actually, when you shoot these at 25 meters or 50 meters, the end result on the target will be more or less the same. So I like these bullets very much.